Gina with WTI, and I want to tell you about the most comfortable pair of shoes that I have. My podiatrist recommended that I wear ASICS shoes because I have severe overpronation and wear orthotics. So I've been wearing that brand for about 12 years, and I have always been pleased with every single pair that I've gotten from them. This particular pair is the GT 1011 running shoe. So these shoes are so lightweight. I do place my orthotics in them. And with the orthotics in, they weigh 1.2 pounds, which is amazing. They're so lightweight, you can't even feel them on your feet. Now, I'm not a big runner. I mainly do walking and then, of course, exercising. And these work so well, even if you're not a runner. But if you are, you're gonna love how lightweight they are and how cushy. The padding around the ankle and the tongue is so soft. These just feel like wearing clouds. They are so amazing. I got the color Black Orchid, and I just love that it's a dark gray with black accents, and then it has these pops of purple and like a bright orangey red on them that are just beautiful. I wear a size 7.5 women's shoe, and I would say that these are true to size. These shoes always last me a really long time. I generally go through a pair about every 2 years, but I wear them not just when I'm exercising, but just when I'm walking around or anytime we have to go somewhere, because I know that they're going to be really comfortable and not give me any pain. You can't go wrong with a pair of ASICS. I really love these ones, and that's my point of view.